Howdy! In this video, we will show you how to connect to the FASTER cluster at Texas A&M University. This tutorial is for ACES users who will be using the jump host method in a Windows PowerShell command line. This is my Windows PowerShell. A prerequisite for connecting is having already created your SSH keys and placed them into the correct directory with the correct file names. I am using the dir command to verify that my keys are in the correct location with the correct file names. You can watch another video on how to create these. Next, we need to have the SSH application installed. You can see that I have OpenSSH for Windows version 8.1 installed. The syntax for using SSH to connect to the FASTER cluster is SSH username at login.faster.tamu.edu. Oops, I missed one. .hprc.tamu.edu. However, we cannot log into the login node of FASTER directly using our SSH keys. Instead, we must make an additional step of the jump host. So we add to our SSH command the capital J flag, which means in addition, we will be connecting through the jump host node. The syntax is the same. Username at node, the node name for our jump host is fasterjump.hprc.tamu.edu. However, in order to use your keys to log into the jump host, you must have the additional port of 8822 after the colon. Now we are ready to execute the login. You can see a login message appears, and we now have a prompt. The prompt states that my username is now my FASTER username. My node is the login node at FASTER, and my terminal is now a shell terminal, which is denoted by this $sign. That is to say, that is a Linux shell. So this is no longer Windows PowerShell.